Introduction: the magic of peptides. Peptides are one of the hidden heroes of the skincare world. These tiny chains of amino acids act as messengers for your skin cells, telling them it's time to repair and rejuvenate. They boost the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Dermatologists and beauty experts now call peptides a true anti-aging game changer. If you want fewer wrinkles, tighter skin, and a healthy glow, peptides deserve a spot in your skincare routine. What are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. The most important proteins for skin health are collagen, elastin, and keratin. When we're young, our skin naturally produces plenty of these proteins. But as we age, production slows down, leading to dullness, sagging, and wrinkles. Peptides work like messengers that signal your skin to make more collagen and elastin, helping it look and feel more youthful. How do peptides work? When you apply a peptide-based serum or cream, these molecules penetrate the skin barrier and activate your cells. This process helps your skin become plumper, firmer, and more hydrated. Peptides also help slow down collagen breakdown, keeping your skin youthful for longer. Some peptides even have antioxidant properties, protecting your skin from damage caused by pollution and UV rays. Types of peptides. There are different types of peptides, each with unique benefits. Signal peptides tell the skin to produce more collagen and elastin. Carrier peptides deliver minerals like copper to boost skin healing. Enzyme inhibitor peptides block enzymes that break down collagen. Neurotransmitter inhibitor peptides relax wrinkles, working as a natural alternative to Botox. Benefits of peptides: reduce wrinkles and fine lines, improve skin elasticity, increase hydration, even out skin tone, repair skin barrier. With regular use, peptides can make your skin look noticeably younger and healthier. How to use peptides. You can use peptides in the form of serums, moisturizers, or eye creams. For the best results, apply them both in the morning and at night. Use them after cleansing and before moisturizing for maximum absorption. Pro tip: avoid using peptides together with vitamin C, as they work best at different pH levels. However, peptides hyaluronic acid is a perfect hydration-boosting combo. Side effects. Precautions. Peptides are generally safe for all skin types. However, if you have extremely sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying to your face. Always choose products from trusted brands to avoid fake or low-quality formulas. Final thoughts. Peptides are a slow and steady skincare hero. You won't see overnight results, but with regular use for 8 to 12 weeks, you'll notice a visible difference in your skin's texture and firmness. If you're ready to upgrade your anti-aging routine, peptides are worth adding to your daily regimen. Remember, skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience. Consistency equals radiant skin.
Thanks for watching.